So we're going to talk a little bit today about how to put some tree kickers on. We'd gotten from Brandon Flannery. We put a set on this XRC here. It was our first set and we learned a lot. This set here, we actually took this blue strip completely off. We took all this black plastic off along through here. We took the factory rock sliders off, drilled out all the rivets. It was a total pain in the ass, for lack of better words. But by doing that, we was able to get some good measurements. And when we got those measurements, we was able to go to the other side and just actually drill it out and not have to take anything apart. So we searched the internet looking for videos to put these on, and we wasn't able to come up with anything. So we thought we'd shoot you guys out a little video how to do it on my XRC. So anyhow, we got some markings here and some measurements for you. These turned out really great. They look good. The powder coat's almost, it's a perfect match actually, not almost, it is a perfect match. They're really solid. So here we go. We'll go over here and show you what we got. If you measure from this front tip right here, back, 10 inches is what we come up with. And then measure from the top of this blue strip down 1.5 inches. And then you're going to drill that hole out with 1 5/8" hole saw. And that'll take you straight through the blue plastic piece, the black plastic, and then it'll take you into the factory rock slider. And you'll drill through the gusset that bolts into the frame. And then there's a bolt there. I'll show you on the other side that you got to take that bolt out, and then you'll just take that whole gusset plate or bracket out. And then on the back side, you measure again from this tip back, and it's 10.5 inches. And then down 1.5 inches. And same thing, 1 5/8". You'll drill right through there, and that'll line you up again with that same place you need to be. And then we took a speed square on the back, right from the center of that back bolt. Come straight up to this ridge line here. If you can see, we kind of got it marked off already. And if you'll measure towards the back, 5/8 of an inch, make your little crosshair there, and drill that out with 1 5/8". That'll take you straight through to the hole in the frame. Now there is a plastic tab on the inside. It's already kind of perforated. You just cut that with a razor knife, and it'll open up a hole in the back so you can get your bolt through. I'm not gonna show you that. It's pretty self-explanatory, you'll see it. We got the other side drilled out already. This is what it'll look like. These are the bolts that come out. These are the gussets. You'll drill these will come out. These are in here, they go into the frame. But when you drill your hole out, it'll line straight up. You pull these out of the hole. Same thing here. Now when you drill this hole out, there is some plastic tabs in here. You'll have to get in there, and the hole saw doesn't cut those out real well. You'll have to cut those out with a set of side cuts or snips or something to get them wallered out. But as you can see, it all lines up real good. Now these plastic strips may not be perfectly the same on all the buggies. So you may have to take a grinder and waller this out a little bit. We did have to take a little bit out of this back edge. As you can see, not much to get these to work, but they go right on. And then here on the back, the first set we didn't line up quite that well. But if you're doing it by yourself and you don't have help, or even if we couldn't actually push up with help, but if you run your ratchet strap around here and take it to this top piece, you can actually just take a ratchet strap and pull up on this, and it'll hold up enough tension you can get your U-bolt right in around the frame. So it actually worked out really well. If you have any questions, just give us a holler. I hope that helps. Like I said, there's not a lot of videos out there. I'm pretty sure that this ought to help you out on any of the tree kickers. So hope you enjoyed it.